Good morning, students. As you all know that we are continuing with the English literature workbook yesterday also. Today I am going to demonstrate the poem, the lesson A Night in June. Because yesterday we have completed up to lesson 1, PP long stockings. So come to the page number 12 in your workbook. This is your date. Today's date 17/7/20. Mention at the left side in your book and at the right side classwork. When you come to the page number 12, see the exercise 1. Exercise 1 is given use yet or already in the blanks below. Means these four lines are given, sentences are given. You have to fill already, yet and already according to the sentence. So yet means होता है अभी तक, ऑलरेडी मतलब उस काम को अगर किसी ने पहले ही कर लिया है तो दैट इज ऑलरेडी. ओके, सो दे हैव हैड देयर लंच. सो व्हाट विल कम हेयर? इट इज कम ऑलरेडी. दे हैव ऑलरेडी हैड देयर लंच, मतलब उन्होंने अपना लंच पहले ही कर लिया है. We do not know if he has arrived yet. हमें नहीं पता है कि वो अभी तक आया है कि नहीं. So we will mention yet here. Come to the next. Haven't you taken the dog for a walk yet? Come to the next. The children have already. बच्चों ने अपना काम पहले ही put away their books and pencils. So when you completed up to this, fill it with the help of pencil only. This is the work of your workbook. Okay, English workbook, English literature workbook. Come to the exercise 2 after that. Statement is given, make up 3 sentences of your own using the word yet and 3 sentences using the word already. So you have to make sentences of your own using yet and already. So I am giving the first sentence. You can write in your workbook like this. He has already finished his homework. Second one, I have already seen it. Seen it. I have already seen it. So 2 sentences are with the help of already. Third sentence, they have already had their lunch. Now, with the help of already sentences are completed, we come to the word yet. We don't know if he was arrived yet. So the sentence is used, we make with the help of yet. Next sentence, he has not finished his homework yet. So this sentence is completed with the help of yet. Come to the next one now. Last sentence with the help of yet. You have not eat this food yet. When you have completed on the page number 12 up to this, come to the next page, page number 13. Exercise 1 is given. Arrange these lists in alphabetical order. First, find the words that does not fit in each list and cross it out. Means Colleen, Padma, Agra, Neela, Jacob, Harsha, Ravi. These are all the names. Colleen, Padma. But Agra is the name of a city. So we can cross it out because it is different. Okay. So you can cross it with the help of pencil only. And after that, what do you know about the meaning of alphabetical order? Means first letter of the word. It is C, it is P, it is N, it is J, it is H, it is R. So what will come in the first? Which word will come first? Colleen, because it is started with the with the letter C. Na? After that, after C, what will come? H, Harsha. After Colleen, Harsha, name will come. After that, Jacob. After that, Neela. After that, Padma. And the last is Ravi. After that, words are given any, some, few, bank, lots, only, every. In this, bank word is used for a place. So you cut it with the help of pencil. After that, you can arrange it into the alphabetical order. So first is any, because it is started with A, na? Alphabetically A is first. After that, A after A, every. Every. After that, few. Na? After that, lots. After that, only. And the last is some. Because A is in the starting of this word, so A will come first. After that, E. After F, L, O, and at the last S. After that, when we come to the last one, C. Boat. Birds are given like this: boat, bring, basket, bell, bison, bullet. Boat is a thing, basket, bell, bison, bullet, all are the things, but bring is odd one because bring is a verb here, na? So what we can do? We can cross it out, bring word with the help of pencil only. After that, now you are seeing that all the words are starting with B. B, 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 and B. After that, how you can arrange it in the alphabetically? After B, you can see it is given A in the basket, na? Basket, B के बाद क्या आया है? A. So basket will come first. After that, when basket will complete, we can take bell, because after B, E is there, na? After B, A is there, and after B, E is there. After that, we can take the word bison. Bison, okay, because after E, I will be there. Bison. After that, boat. Okay. Now, bullet. Now, two words are with the help of, after B, U is there. B, U is there. But in this, L is there, and in this, S is there. So, bullet will come first and bus will come at the last. Now, what you all have to do? You all have to complete in your books like this with the help of pencil only. Don't use pen. Don't make your book dirty. Complete it neatly in clear handwriting, and spelling should be correct. So, focus on it. And what is your homework? To revise these exercises of poem A Night in June in your book also. Okay, thank you beta.